What a time to be alive, am I right? I filmed this vlog that you're about to watch a few days ago, and I forgot to film an intro in the beginning, so I just want to hop in here really quickly before this gets started. I wrote a whole long spiel about this in my community tab if you want to read that the other day when I was feeling things. But basically, yeah, by this time you're seeing this, everyone pretty much is on some form of self-isolation, lockdown from the coronavirus. I have been struggling wanting to upload anything, even though I feel so grateful that I can still work from home as usual, and my schedule hasn't been nearly as interrupted as so many people, and my heart just goes out to everyone in the ways that this is affecting so many different people, whether it's their lives or jobs or putting themselves at risk for other people, losing out on opportunities, losing jobs. All of these things have just been on my mind, and I'll leave some links to donate to like some food banks, people on the front lines, things like that in the description box if anyone has financial means that they want to contribute towards these different causes to help right now, even like donating blood. Or if you are not in a good place financially, which I know we're all kind of thinking about that right now, just offering kindness and support to people goes a long way. And yeah, I hope you're all staying healthy and inside as much as you can. Yeah, I just wanted to start this out by saying that because it feels weird to not preface this. Hopefully these videos can like be some type of distraction info for you. I'm gonna try to like keep content coming out as normal, and even videos that feel more normal than just like corona vlogging, because that feels also kind of weird. Yeah, let me know if there's like any types of videos that you guys want to see. I'm happy to do like more cooking stuff, or like I have a morning routine coming, I have like a self-care type of video coming, some like sit down just like chatty videos I think are good, maybe like an organizational video. If anyone feels inclined to watch any of those, let me know in the comments, but hopefully you enjoy this one.
Push me out to sea, baby. It's the best thing for us both. I'll be happy out there, baby. Fish below and stars above. And you'll be happier without me.
You're doing a little better today.
Push me out to sea, baby. There's nothing left for you to do. We did our best with our love, baby, but it brought us down so low.
That's all I have so far. Just got a delivery. This is a really good time to get your groceries delivered, so I'm gonna do a little plug here. I ordered some stuff off of the Wally shop, which they now do nationwide delivery, which is cool. They started in Brooklyn, and basically everything's zero waste. They come in these jars, and then you schedule a pickup for someone to come grab your jars when you're done with them, and basically it's just like a cyclical thing. Okay, I'll show you what I got. Stocked up on basics. A bunch of pasta, it's always good. More of my favorite rice, which is this short grain brown rice they have, is so good. Chia seeds, quinoa, which I honestly never buy quinoa anymore, but why not? Oh, I got coconut oil, some banana chips for also a snack.
Strange shell lying on the shore. You put me to your ear and I'll whisper what today I just can't say. Then you throw me back to the water and forget you ever found
Alright, making a little ramen for lunch. I've been trying to eat as much fresh produce as I can right now. I have some shiitake mushrooms from last time I went to the store. Gonna put in some broccoli as well. And then I've been using these like fresh ramen noodle packs that are really good. And then I have this like vegan chicken broth base that I got from Wally Shop that is for making vegan like chicken broth, whatever. So I'm gonna try that for the first time. Should be good. Maybe I'll add in some tofu as well. We'll see. I'm not like super hungry, but thought I'd make this. I'm just like chopping everything up. Ramen is literally so easy.
Strange shell lying on the shore. You put me to your ear and I'll whisper what today I just can't say. Then you throw me back into the water and forget you ever found me and forget you ever lost me. Push me out to sea, baby. It's the best thing for us both. I'll be happy out there, baby. Fish below and stars above. And you'll be happier without me.
Check-in, day 7. Quick check-in. We learned TikTok dances. Cody's called 6 times today.
Oh, Eileen's calling me one.
Eileen's calling on her 5th. Stay in touch with your friends.
Jenny hates the many times I call.
I love it, but I'm kind of bitter that you don't call me.
Cody called me.
I made Isabel the salad. What's in it?
A little greens, a little hummy.
A little hummy.
A little avo. And a little dressing. And it's creamy. A little onion too.
Ooh, and a little red onion.
Okay, nice.
Oh.
Alright,
Okay, ready? Guys, shut up. Wait, I'm not ready. Let me play Emma's video. Tick.
Where's Kevin? Have you guys told each other?
Okay.
Like la 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 la
I'm popping in to say I'm so sorry this video is so chaotic. I'll do better next time. My brain has been all over the place, obviously. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Coming soon, real videos, promise.